You are doomed to fail. Okay, I sound like a demotivational speaker. Hi, everybody. Claude Diamond here in the garage on the treadmill. And I was thinking long and hard. I've talked to too many people every day. Got sales, success is about speaking to enough prospects. Duh, you don't need me to tell you that, right? But there's so many people out there giving you bad information. They're giving you phony baloney motivation. Oh, walk on my hot coals. You know, like that's going to make you money. Okay. Sorry. I know you Tony Robbins fans, you're very loyal and everything like that. The only thing walking on hot coals will do will give you a hot foot or send you to the hospital. Okay. Because Monday morning comes around and you still got to make those phone calls, and that phone is still like a cactus. Here, number two, they bog you down with too much work. Oh, you've got to study all my strategies, all my methods, learn all the contracts, read all this, read all that. It's important, but it's not primary. You're doomed to fail if you spend too much time designing your business cards for 2-3 weeks. The only way to make money is to get on the damn phone and speak to people in an assertive, confident manner, because they have a problem and you have to be their doctor. Okay, hope I'm not bouncing too much here, but I wanted to get this off my chest and I thought it'd be better to just do it right now. Number two, too much time and money spent on marketing. There's nothing wrong with doing a lot of this marketing, but the return on your investment is 0.1%. Okay, I don't care if you're doing mailers from some obscure mail list, you're hiring a lot of VAs to make phone calls and do scraping and things like that. You're using your automatic mojo dialers and things, which I personally think are illegal because there's a lot of people on the do not call list and there's automatic federal and state fines on that. So another video, another time. You can do marketing very easily. We're in real estate. People advertise. They're all over the place. They're telling you, we have a vacancy. We have a home for sale. We're going to use a realtor. They're telling you they have a problem. Call them, but use a gut sales method. It's easy. Okay? And you want to do more social media marketing. My God, I run my whole business on a zero budget for marketing. I used to spend $10,000 a month. Nothing anymore. Boy, I am bouncing too much. Let me slow this down a little too. Got to use this energy up. See what I go through to stay young and beautiful for you? I heard that. Listen, you got to focus on the sales part. This is the part none of them talk about. They scoot around it and everything. You've got to get out there. You've got to practice every day. I love sales. I like making money. I like being free. I like working from my home. I like living where I want to live, never having to take vacations because I live in places other people take vacations. You are doomed to fail going into this next year if you do not focus and work smart on your sales ability. You have to be superb in sales. Not good, not adequate. Ugh, I'm nervous. But listen, don't read a script. Talk to people the way you want to be spoken to. Ask questions with stroking, nurturing, redirection. Use the psychology of empathy. Learn what they're thinking, what they're feeling. Learn how to be hypnotic in your skills. Little Guts 2.0 coming soon. Listen, speak to people in such a way. Speak to several people every day. You will see unbelievable magic happen in your business. You will make money. You will have fun. Your confidence will soar, and you will not be doomed to fail because nobody deserves success more than you. We're going into this new year. Stop doing all this busy work. Stop doing all delegating to other people. Forget about your click funnels. Forget about your team. Forget about your acquisition manager and all that shit. Sorry for the language. Listen, you pick up the phone and talk to people. Be relaxed. Learn a system. Agenda, qualification, commitment, close. And you will never want for anything in your life. If someone like me can do it, I'm the former world's worst salesman, okay? I know you can do it, and you can probably do it better because nobody deserves success more than you. You got to believe that. Hey, my name is Claude Diamond. I do answer my own phone. 970-281-5151. Go to my webpage, claudediamond.com. I got a lot of free stuff there. I got free books for you. I got free 15-minute consultations, whatever I can do to help you, okay? Listen, you have a wonderful holiday. Go into this new year. Be safe, be prosperous, be healthy, and take care of yourself, okay? Bye-bye.